Welcome to PictureDesk. Aggregate all of your licensable content onto one easy-to-access, cloud-based platform and get high-speed search results from live feeds of the latest content streaming around the world, as well as a host of tools designed to help you find exactly what you need, quickly and easily. Our clustering tool organizes content visually, creating clusters of similar content from within your results. And our powerful AI-driven visual search takes searching to new levels. Find an exact match or similar content based on just visuals, no more relying on metadata. There's also a crop tool that allows you to focus your visual search even more. Download images and video against your agreed-upon media supplier contract terms, or contact copyright owners directly from the platform to make a licensing request. Lightboxes provide you with the ability to create, save, and store collections of researched content. Share Lightboxes with colleagues for quick collaboration. Send an instant contact sheet for peer review, or transfer content to other teams with ease. You can also proactively track celebrities, influencers, and brand ambassadors. Plus, organize, store, and syndicate your published content and source files, making it easy to retrieve, repurpose, and even sell. Get started with PictureDesk today.